All right, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Easy here. The reason why I have not been uploading for the last couple of days and stuff like that is due to the fact that my mother just passed away. So I'm taking this time basically to get my thoughts straight, try to figure out what I'm going to do with everything. I just got a lot of stuff that I have to do, and it's just a lot going on with me right now. So I don't know what I'm doing right now. I don't know how I feel about anything. This is kind of like why I have not been uploading. It's just I had a lot going on with me, and I was planning on coming back to YouTube to start streaming and more and stuff like that, but it's just too much happening, and it's just I don't know what I'm doing right now, and just basically trying to get myself situated and stuff. So yeah, so I'm gonna be back soon. Just keep me in your prayers and stuff like that, guys. I'll make an update video when I got a chance to. It's just at the time I don't have the time to really sit around to really make videos like I used to and stuff like that. I'm gonna walk back around. But yeah, like I said, I live in a forest location. This is basically what I pretty much do every day. I come over here, walk through the forest trail right here, which I told you guys I live like in a forest location, like I said. So I basically come over here and walk over here basically all the time. So the cars pass backwards and forwards. If I go further back this way and cut this way, I'm go actually into like the forest location. So I'm just like off of the streets. That's where it is. But yeah. Oh man. But I'm gonna hit you guys up soon. I'll come back, give you guys an update on everything. Using the DJI mic, so I don't know how it's gonna sound out here, if it's clear or not. So hopefully it is. Just walking around, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. It's cool out here. It's about what, 60 degrees, 68 degrees. It's a little chilly out here, but I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One.